Hi everyone, it's Jean Humbrecht with Humbrecht Law, your criminal and traffic defense attorney in Manassas, Virginia. Today I'm here to talk to you about the consequences of a DUI conviction in Virginia. Most people know that a DUI is a crime, but there are a lot of penalties that people don't think about. First, there is a mandatory minimum fine of $250 for a first offense DUI, and the mandatory fine can be increased in certain circumstances if you're transporting a minor during the driving incident or the blood alcohol level is at a certain point, etc. Also, it can be punished with up to 12 months in jail, and there can be mandatory jail time if, again, if there's a minor in the vehicle at the time, if the blood alcohol was over a certain amount, and for various other reasons, including second and subsequent DUI convictions. The driver's license is going to be revoked for 12 months for any first offense DUI conviction, and that means absolutely no driving without a restricted license. And a condition of that restricted license is you must have an ignition interlock installed in your vehicle for the full 12 months without any alcohol related violations. You also will have to undergo ASAP counseling, which can be either 5 or 10 weeks. Um, Also, there are penalties that people don't think about that aren't necessarily in the law, but these are direct ramifications of a DUI conviction. For example, your car insurance will go up, and most likely you will probably lose your insurance and have to provide proof of financial responsibility, basically, pay a lot more to be insured. Your security clearance can be in jeopardy if you have one, or your ability to get a security clearance. You will not be able to most likely get life insurance if you do not have life insurance at the time, and you will have to wait several years before you can even apply. If you have a certain job that requires driving or background checks, you could lose your job or be ineligible to get a job because of a DUI conviction. It could potentially impact your child custody and visitation hearings if that is going on at the time of the DUI or even after. So, for all of these reasons, you want to avoid that DUI conviction. But if you have more questions on DUIs or any other crimes in Virginia, check out my website and I will be back next week. And as always, let me know if there's any particular topic you want me to discuss. Thanks, guys, and have a good day.